Hi guys.
My name is Lucas.
My name's Lucas.
And
Today,
what are you going to make?
I just make strawberry milk.
So, what do you need? You need
I need strawberry milk.
What do we do?
Then the mix it, they do round, then ding. The
Okay.
push and then do it in.
Okay. So, we put it inside. We
Yeah.
put it in the blender.
Yeah, so the careful is not broken.
Okay.
Okay, milk.
Milk.
Yeah. Oh wow, then.
Little more.
Do
Do we cover it?
Little more.
Cover.
Yeah, it's for you. Hey,
Yes.
oi.
Ready? Ooh. Okay, we mix it. A little more. Little more.
Okay.
Is it ready?
No, it's not.
Okay, one more.
It's a kuya ba?
I think it's ready. So we put it in a.
Da?
We put it here.
You put it in my milk, strawberry milk.
Okay. I help you.
Okay, so this thing. It's good. Scribe is very good. Okay, tama na.
Taste it.
Stay, I understand. This is strawberry milk.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah. Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.